Here's how to deploy a project with Abstra's cloud service. Since it's our first time deploying, we need to log in. Go to our cloud at cloud.abstra.io and log in using your email. Navigate to your selected project and create an API key on the sidebar tab. Copy the generated key. Return to the local editor where you've been building. Press Login to deploy on the navbar and enter the key we just retrieved. Now that you're logged in, a new deploy button will be displayed on the navbar. Just press that to deploy your project. After logging in the first time, this is all you'll have to do whenever you want to push new changes. Your deploy will appear on Abstra Cloud as a new build. Monitor its status on the Build sidebar tab. If you'd like to customize the subdomain for your project's URL, you can also do that on the cloud. Just navigate to your project settings tab and click Edit Subdomain. Check out our other videos on how to customize styling, add authentication, and more. See you next time.